location. As you noticed by the sign, I'm here at Da Nang and we are at Da Nang Beach. Now it is exactly 7:30 in the morning, and as you can see there's not much people, but what I can really tell you is the breeze is really good. It's quite cold, there's a bit of a chill in it, so it's not too hot, and you'd really be able to relax the morning with this kind of weather here in Da Nang. Now I'll try to pan the camera around for you to see how much people it is at this time of hour, and then perhaps we'll be able to go and walk through the beach and see what else we can find, perhaps have a bit of a breakfast. So let's get to it. So just a bit of a tip, I would strongly suggest that if you would want to have a very nice photo of this sign, might as well go here quite early so there's not much people. We were here very early actually. I think we arrived at about, it is 7:30 now, but we were here before 7, so that's the reason why there's not much people, and of course we can enjoy the view. Now after this I'll just go ahead and go to the other side for you to walk around to see how nice the beach is. So let's see and go there. Okay, so I'm at the left side of the sign. There's actually steps going down to the main beach area. It is said that Da Nang Beach is one of the most famous beaches here in Vietnam, pretty much because it somewhat resembles the shoreline of Miami Beach. This is their version of Miami Beach, and as you can see, it is massive. The shoreline is quite large, quite long. It goes straight up to there, and that is, if you can see the white one, that's the famous Lady Buddha. We'll perhaps have another content or another video covering that area. We'll definitely be going there. So it's actually very nice because there is a bit of music, but not too loud for you to be able to, get distracted. Now it comes from near the peninsula, as what they said, our receptionist said, up until the other side. If you go straight, actually it is also connecting to the part of Hoi An, as far as I know. So it is quite of a massive beach. This is, I think, the go-to place of people if they would want to have some exercise. There's an area over there that has a bit of a platform for groups to have their group exercise, a bit of dancing. There were a couple of ladies that were dancing, not Zumba, actually it's dancing, kind of like cha-cha-cha, I think. So it kind of looks nice for you to just simply watch in the morning. But a lot of joggers actually. Even the seniors were here earlier and they were doing their morning routine. So it's actually a nice way for you to start off your day. Have a very good breeze, very good sea breeze, and then a bit of very healthy sun, but still the breeze is, quite chilly, so it's not as exhausting, I think, if ever you'll go and have a jog here. So perhaps that's it for me here at Da Nang Beach. I hope you enjoyed the view. We'll try to walk around more and see if there is an open kiosk or an open restaurant for us to have a breakfast. But so far so good. It's really a nice view, a nice morning breeze here at Da Nang Beach. So catch you guys and see you in the next video. Bye.